Present before the court is Mr. Brooks, right?
Yes.
Represented by Mr. Moss. I assume Mr. Harris is either en route or will be here shortly. And we're here today for a pretrial, but it's my understanding that Mr. Brooks is going to be entering a plea of guilty to illegal conveyance of drugs, and we're going to go forward with a 9-month consecutive sentence. Is that accurately stated, Mr. Moss?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Brooks, how old are you?
42 years old.
How far did you go in school?
I didn't go far, so
Are you able to read and write English?
yeah.
Are you under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
Oh, no, sir.
Are you taking any medications?
Yeah, but it ain't. It's not stopping me from understanding what's going on today.
All right. Are you taking anything that would interfere with your ability to understand what we're doing here today?
No, sir.
Are you a United States citizen?
Yeah.
There's been an agreement that you will receive a 9-month consecutive sentence, and also that I'm going to find you indigent for the purposes of paying fines and costs. Other than that, has anybody made any threats, promises, or representations to get you to plead guilty to this against your will?
No, sir.
Mr. Harris, what are the facts?
Your Honor, if this matter had proceeded to trial, the state would show beyond a reasonable doubt, in addition to all allegations in the indictment as to count 1, that on or about February 2nd of 2025, co-defendant conveyed a controlled substance into Lebanon Correctional Institute in Turtle Creek Township, Warren County, Ohio, and passed these drugs to inmate Brooks during a visit. That substance was sent to the lab. It did test as 5-fluoro-ADB, which is a Schedule 1 controlled substance.
Any on those facts, Mr. Moss?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Brooks, did you hear those facts?
Yeah.
You admit they are true?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the rights you're giving up by entering your plea?
Yes.
Which plea?
Guilty.
Based upon the plea of guilty, I'm going to find you guilty. I think that you've made a knowing, voluntary, and intelligent choice here today, only after you had been fully advised of your constitutional rights, which you waived and rejected here in open court. Any reason not to go into the matter of the sentence today?
No, Your Honor.
We have 0 days of jail time credit, no restitution, right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Harris, anything additional from the state?
Your Honor, we just ask that the court adopt the recommendation of the parties of 9 months consecutive to the time he's currently serving.
Mr. Moss?
The same, Your Honor.
Anything you want to tell me, Mr. Brooks?
I got a rough life, man. You know, like, they gave me 75 years for a charge I really never did. Like, I'm really innocent in it. Like, what I'm currently in jail for, my family left me. My kids don't know me. My baby mothers, they gone, they live their life, they turned their backs on me. I ain't got nobody, like, I'm not a bad person, you know, but them lawyers be wanting money to get out of jail, and the cases be costing so much. So it's like I'm forced to have to do certain stuff inside the prison, you know, to try to help myself because I don't have no outside help. You know what I'm saying? And I just want you to see, you know, like, it's crazy. Like, I got to go through this type of stuff, you know, but it's just the life I live. Where I come from, low poverty, I mean, it's crazy, but I done grew during this time. I've been locked up since 2015. This the only way I could, like, get out of jail, like, or is to do stuff like this. You see what I'm saying? And I ain't even that type of guy. Like, I don't want to keep making these type of, you know what I'm saying, choices and decisions, but how can I, you know, they disbarred the Lord, I mean, the judge that had my case. They threw him off the bench, suspended him. My case still ain't come up. They still ain't, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, his name was Daniel Gaul, you know, and if you read it up, if you look at it, it's crazy. The same stuff they suspended him for, he did in my case, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, I don't have no help. Do you got anything you think that you could help me, like, on that side? Even though this case don't have nothing to do with these courts, because it's kind of crazy, man. I need some help, man. Because I don't want to make these same choices and decisions again, and then I come right back in front of you. Then you got to be like, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? But it's like, no disrespect to you. And I appreciate these courts, the prosecutor, this lawyer, you know. But what? I don't want to keep coming, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to keep coming in front of these courts trying to help myself. And I'm bumping my head and making these type of decisions and putting people in trouble. You know, I just want to, I need some help, man.
Here's the problem with that, Mr. Brooks, and it's not that I'm unsympathetic to what you're saying. I have 2 prisons in my jurisdiction, and I've been doing this for almost 20 years now. So I understand that the fact that you come before me in an orange jumpsuit does not automatically mean that you are a bad person or that you're some sort of terrible human being. But I don't have the ability to do anything in your other case.
Right.
I do know the facts and circumstances of Judge Gaul, which was terrible. And yeah, he's no longer with the company in Cuyahoga County.
Yeah.
But there's nothing I can do about that in this case. All I have is what's presented to me in this case. So I do find that a prison sentence, the joint recommended sentence, is appropriate. I'm going to sentence you to 9 months. That's consecutive to the time that you're already doing. I think a consecutive sentence is necessary to properly punish you, to protect the public, and the overall sentence is not disproportionate to the conduct involved here or the danger posed by you. I do find that you're indigent for the purposes of fines and costs. For what it's worth, Mr. Brooks, if you get your other conviction thrown out, you got this case as your only thing.
Yeah.
That's all I can tell you. I
I
can't do anything
appreciate it.
about your other case.
I appreciate it.
You do have the right to appeal this to the 12th District Court of Appeals in Middletown. If you don't have the funds to hire a lawyer, to obtain a transcript, or to pay the costs, they will all be provided to you at no charge. Good luck to you, Mr. Brooks.
All right. Thank you, sir.
I'll go get that stuff.
All right. I thought
Okay, and he's represented by Mr. Bogan. We have Mr. Harris from the prosecutor's office. We are here today for a hearing on the issue of the defendant's competency. The court is in receipt of the report of Dr. O'Donnell, which is dated November the 21st, 2025. It's my understanding we have a stipulation to that report and to Dr. O'Donnell's qualifications. Is that right?
That's right, on behalf of the state, Your Honor.
Yes, and on behalf of the defense as well, Judge.
Any additional evidence on behalf of the state?
No, Your Honor.
Any additional evidence on behalf of the defense?
No, Judge.
All right, the court finds that Mr. Jamba is currently incapable of understanding the nature and circumstances of the charges against him and is unable to assist in his own defense. I find that he is incompetent to stand trial at this time and that the least restrictive treatment is Summit Behavioral Health Care for competency restoration.
Excuse me.
Yes,
Excuse
Mr. Jamba?
I gotta say a word.
Okay.
First of all, y'all don't got no evidence for me to be in here, right? Like y'all just said right now. Y'all just said so. Y'all don't have any type of evidence for me to be in here. Tell me to go through mental health. Second thing, I got a full name that tells me I was supposed to regain my God body. That I was supposed to be in here since y'all been replacing people's bodies in there. And I've been waiting for 8 months, 7 months, just in case that y'all want to make it like a little bit secretly. So I'm waiting for y'all to place my body and get in my stuff. The Sam Numa Mahmoud Jama is a name. And I got another name for the Sam Numa Mahib al-Faik. So, again, for a reminder, I'm not in here hold the custody like y'all better put checkers on me. I am Egyptian. My name is Suarez. Okay? I'm in here to regain my stuff. Y'all tell me I got a Miranda. At some point, y'all give it to somebody else. And y'all want to make it like it's just some stupid shit. So again, military, it meant my body. So I need to get my shit back. I'm not sitting in here like a dumbass for y'all. And you cannot take the word order. Because you're not order for shit. Trust me.
All right, we're in recess. Thank you, Mr. Jamba.
You gotta get me out of here. Before you claim you being a judge.
This courtroom hearing delivers 2 very different stories. First, Mr. Brooks pleads guilty to illegally conveying drugs into prison and receives a 9-month consecutive sentence. Before sentencing, he describes years of hardship, family separation, poverty, and frustration over another conviction he believes was unjust. The judge acknowledges his struggles, but explains that this court cannot change another case. Later, the court addresses Mr. Jamba's competency. Based on a psychological evaluation, the judge finds him incompetent to stand trial and orders treatment for competency restoration. Jamba strongly objects, making a series of confusing statements before the judge calls a recess. 2 hearings, 2 defendants, and 2 deeply troubling moments.